This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 45 of Building Optimus Prime from the Transformers. In this issue, we're starting the shoulder, the right shoulder, I believe. Certainly a shoulder. We'll find out in a minute. Looking at Sharksy. Not sure. Can't make out much from the picture there, but there we go. Megatronus. Obviously a version of Megatron. The Cracker. This is going to be an issue that I've got no idea about any of the characters in it. There we go. Generation 2 of the Decepticons. I do remember the tank type one. Lots of other ones that are sort of nothing, but yeah, a little bit generic. Nothing special. So yes, the right shoulder part, the first. We've got some big, heavy, chunky bits to build. Not too difficult though, fairly straightforward. Putting all of the bits on there and then having it built up, looking a bit like that. Yeah, that's the same bit from inside and outside, but there you go. So yes, this is how it's looking so far, although obviously it's not all together, but it's certainly getting there. Yeah. Right, let's clear it out of the way. Let's get this built. So the parts we've got an interesting decorative plastic piece, the big substantial metal piece, and lots of things and some screws. Let's see, first of all, we're starting off with this bit. We've got these plugs to put in place. Two that are the same go down the bottom there. Get that in place. Go on that side. On that side. Come on. Go. And that one goes up on this side on there. Neither of these have got any directionality to them, so it's just a case of getting them in the hole, then pushing it home. Go. Let's get those two both in a little bit more, I think. Yeah. That's that then. Then we need to put that bit onto there. Let's get that the right way round. That way round. That goes in there, isn't it? That does have a directionality to it. There is a flat side there, so you've got to get the flat side and the flat side lined up. Is that way around. So that goes on there like so. Then back to this one. That bit goes on there. Again, that one has a flat side on there as well. Got to go pacing up that way. That. Then we need to get these two bits together. And that's where the screws come in. It's got to be that way round. Two holes, two screws. Like that. Like that should go in further. Maybe that's just where the screws have to go. So let's get a screwdriver out. Let's get a couple of these screws out. And we'll see how that's going to go together. Not get 3 screws out. Let's just get 2. Keep that for safe for later. Let's try getting this lined up again. Go in there. Look at that. No, I'm not happy. I'm not happy with that. Have I got this the right way around? Ah, that goes that way round. Yes, looking at the bit of picture down there. I'm happier with that way round by the looks of it. Let me just flick ahead. Yes, it's going to be that way around. Just didn't show turning it over. Then the 2 screws in there. And that one. Yeah, nice and securely. Obviously doing up the first one a little bit. Tightening them all up when they're all in and lined up properly. There's that. Good. Then we've got this bit which goes down the bottom here, and that's where the bar comes into play. The bar is got one knurled end, and it's got it coming in from this side. So I get that in there just a little bit. That through there. Not like that. We won't juggle it and drop it all over the place. We'll get it lined up properly. In there. Then through that bit as well. Out the other side. And using flat side. Hopefully that should line up and go all the way through there. I might need a pair of pliers on that. Let's try that. They're a bit more substantial, a little bit meatier than the... Try that again. Going in, better. Well done. There we have that, almost there, a little bit further in. That'll do. So that is that done, and that is that done. The shoulder has begun. I quite like that. That's gone quite well for me. I'm happy with how that's going together. So that is the first issue done. Join me next time when we're going to be continuing with the shoulder a little bit further. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.